Okay, so in our last video, we left off going over and trying to find the food that we're going to eat at our restaurants. So I pulled up a restaurant cafe menu, so I'm going to take a look at what they have. Now the thing that you may encounter, like I'm encountering right now, is that I have these meals and I have these different kind of snacks and whatnot, but there's no prices. And if that's the case, you need to find a new website. So this one's not going to work for me because they don't have any of their prices listed, which is a problem. So I'm going to click out of this and head back to where I was. Um, it looks like maybe I'll try this one, Glass Hosteria. So now I'm going to go to website for it. I want to go to menu, and it looks like this would be their menu then. Okay, good. I have prices. That's always good. So I remember we want to find a lunch and a dinner. Now it's up to you. If you want to do lunch and dinner at the same restaurant, that's fine, but I would have at least 2 restaurants down, okay? Obviously, if you want to do 3 different restaurants or 6 different restaurants, that's fine. Just keep in mind how difficult it may be to find the prices for them. So looking at this, I think I'm probably just going to go for, let's see. Maybe I'll go for one of their antipastas. Or linguine sounds good. So I'll do this one, I guess. 26 euro copy. Remember, I had to do the conversions for that. So I'll paste it in, see how much it's going to cost me. To US dollars. So 29 or 28.90. So going back to my chart, that's what I would put here for at least just the lunch. Maybe I'll write this here. Okay, so I'm going to do that here. So that was 28.90 US dollars. And then for lunch, I got that linguine. So I'm just going to type in linguine because it was all a whole long description. That should be good. I'm going to say that I'm just going to do water, and I'm not going to have this person do any dessert because we're on a budget. Okay. Next, you're going to move on to the dinner. So for the dinner, what you're going to do is the same thing. So decide if you want to do that website or if you want to do a different website or a different restaurant. Keep that in mind. But after you've done that, you're going to total the 28.90 plus the total of dinner. Subtract that from your amount left. I just need to pull that menu, so I'm going to copy that and put it in my URL source. And we'll make it small so it works for us. And you're going to go through and do that for all of them, okay? And then your last step in this whole process is finding souvenirs, and this could be tricky as well. The best thing you could do is look for retail stores. So I'm going to do gift shops in Rome, Italy. So now I have all these different kind of shops I can go to. They even have a Disney one, it looks like. I guess I'll check out this first one. So go to their website, and then you want to see what kind of items they have. What do they sell that you can purchase? That's going to be the biggest thing. And it looks like this is all in Italian, which may not work for me, but I can see a couple things. So maybe I want to get a samurai to bring home, or maybe I want to bring this puppy dog home, or a coaster would be kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and take that price and input that into my chart. Okay, now for souvenirs, I think I have down, you need to select 2 items for them. Okay, so that's your last step. It says, finally, your client is ready to head home, but he needs to bring some souvenirs home to his friends and family. Look up some retail stores in the area and visit their websites. Select 2 items for your client to bring home to remember their great trip. Okay, so you want to find 2, and you're going to put them in this box. So what I would do, I'll change yours a little bit here so that it matches mine. And then I'm just going to type item 1. And then I'm going to type item 2. Okay? And then we're going to do the price of each of those right in here. And you're going to do the names in the other box. Okay? So this is your homework assignment. This is what you should be working on now after math. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. If you're really struggling on finding anything, please make sure you shoot me an email or come see me and we can talk about other ways to make sure you have what you need for it. Okay? All right, so that's what you're doing for this portion of your project.